Here under the device management, we have our different devices that are set up with this server. So for example, you can see here we can easily search in the quick search for all of our RealWear devices, our iPhone devices that will be set up, as well as Epson device, where we can double click and we have a small overview. So the device name, the MAC address, and some various information on the bottom. When it was created, last changed, by what user, the firmware, etc. You can also reset this device if you'd like to. And then you also have the provisioning. So the different applications that are set up with this device, currently we only have just the one, but if we would upload more, then we'd have more available. And you can also export that list. So here you're able to select the devices that are registered with this server. Currently I have the ones that are marked offline or online. Here I can see if I click the online devices, I have none of them online. I'm also able to search for the offline devices and filter here. And once I would select them, for example, I would have the ability to see those devices and where they're located in the Frontline workplace. So if they're going through a workflow task, for example, I also have the ability to zoom in here with the multiple devices. And when they are online, as it'll be indicated here with green, I'm able to send them a message. So this will be a toast notification that'll pop up on their screen as they're logged into the Frontline workplace. Below that I have scanners. So these are the scanners, the Bluetooth scanners that we support for our workflows and Frontline Command Center. And if you would open up any of these devices, it'll give you a little bit of maintenance codes and basically the information you need to set up the device. So you can click through several of these and see some of the QR codes that you need when you're pairing and configuring them. And these are able to be downloaded as PDFs. Here we also have the Wi-Fi QR codes. So here we're able to connect to different QR codes, and you can do that by adding a new configuration, putting in here the name of the Wi-Fi, my Wi-Fi for example, and mentioning if that's a hidden network or not, as well as providing the password here. And once you provide this password, you're able to then save this and have a new QR code that you can then scan to connect to that Wi-Fi. This is something that's also important for when you set up a new application, bootstrapping to a server. You can then select from this list of QR codes to bootstrap the server and have the Wi-Fi connect automatically if you're not already connected to that Wi-Fi.